What we're doing is preparing and making sure there's opportunities for anyone who's going to go for a job interview, start a new job.
As the CEO of the nation's largest pension fund toured the Sacramento Food Bank and Family Services, they may not have expected to hear this.
It's almost a flashback a little bit. It reminds me a lot of my childhood. And
Marcy Frost grew up watching her mom go to places just like this for their food and clothing.
So there were 8 of us total, and there was not a lot of money in the house. And so, she was on public assistance. She would come to the food bank. She would come to the Goodwill Salvation Army to get clothing for us.
It is highly unusual for someone to rise out of poverty to eventually run an entire pension system. But Frost has been working since she was 11 years old, first picking berries for 10 cents a cup, and at 15 landing something more professional.
I worked in a real estate office, and so at 1:15 in the afternoon I would head out of high school and head over to a real estate office, and I did all the typing, answered all the phones, printed and typed up all of the listings, did the newspaper ads.
Today, she oversees the $360 billion CalPERS pension fund, the largest in the nation. There are 1.9 million people in the retirement system, and she also oversees health benefits for 1.5 million members. She says all of her decisions come down to what you see on this board.
So it has moved. It was 64 when I started. It moved up to 68, and it sits at 71 today.
That's the level of funding for the system. She says it should be over 90%.
There are things that would be nice to be able to offer our members and to offer our employers and to offer our employees. But this number really has to drive our decision making. Every dollar that we save is a dollar that's left in the trust fund and is available to pay benefits.
That number also drives some tough decisions, like the one they made earlier this week to hold on to investments in private prisons. They've been under pressure to sell those after private prisons were used to hold migrant children separated from their parents.
Divestment is a really complicated issue for investors. And, we have our own personal beliefs about a number of policies, social policies, ranging from fossil fuel to private prisons to the Dakota Access Pipeline. But we have to be really thoughtful about the impact to the portfolio.
As Frost is now making those high-level decisions, some have questioned one of her early choices. She skipped college to start working as a typist.
Even though I don't have a formal education, it does not mean that I was not educated. And I spent 30 years in public service in Washington State, and I had this mentality that you follow the leader. So my roles that I had, and I worked in primarily two areas there, is I followed leaders who I could really learn from.
She says her most important lesson for this work is something not taught in college. As she runs a pension fund for so many Californians, her biggest motivator came from watching her own grandparents struggle through retirement.
They ran out of money, and they ran out of money because they had a catastrophic event that they had not planned for. And it's very difficult to retire when you don't have financial options as you age, and that dignity is really missing at that point in their lives, and that was tough to watch, and I don't want to see anybody else go through that.